Imagine you've suddenly traveled back in time to ancient times. You lit a candle. But then a strong gust of wind blew out the candle. You were very clever. So you made a lantern-like structure out of thin bamboo strips and rice paper and placed the candle inside, preventing it from being blown out by the wind. When the candlelight fell on the white paper, its shimmering glow was beautiful. But on the white paper it looked dull and dull. Suddenly a brilliant idea struck you. You took some red paper, cut out the shapes of galloping horses, and glued them to the paper. Now, when you slowly swung the lantern, it appeared as if the horses were actually galloping. But after a few seconds, the lantern stopped. Now you had to rotate it repeatedly by hand. Then the thought occurred to you, can't I just use the smoke or hot air from the candle to make it spin itself? That's where the magic began. You then took some thin bamboo strips and fashioned a small fan-like blade above the candle, with the blades at a slight angle. When the candle burned, hot air rose and turned the fan. You placed it on a wooden stick pivot so it could rotate smoothly. Then you thought, why not put the horse figures inside the lantern so the outer paper wouldn't move, only the horses would spin? Now, when the candle lit, the fan started spinning. The horse figures also spun, and their shadows danced on the lantern. It looked as if the horses were actually running, and thus you had created a running horse lamp. We need a PC and need a little help. 5, 10, 50, 100. You can contribute whatever